My name is Joyce Anfrias, and to begin, our system requires that users authenticate themselves before they can use any of our features. This is always done through the entry of a username and password. We implemented this policy as a measure against unauthorized user breaking into our system. If you sign in as a seller, you'll be directed to the seller option. While if
Se-
you sign in as a buyer, you'll be directed to the purchase form and a message will pop that you already logged in. Our shopping cart is our customer's virtual storage space for their selected menu items. When a customer makes a purchase, the shopping cart keeps track of all the products they've picked out, the amount they want to buy of each, and the total price for their order. After a customer has finished shopping, they can go through checkout page and choose their preferred method payment. They can place their order and quantity to their cart.
I am Altair Osora and I'm going to explain the inventory form. This report summarizes the details of our system's current merchandise stock, include actionable inventory information, and enable us to determine which products are selling the fastest and slowest, as well as which product categories are selling well. Using this inventory form, we can keep track of our selling details. Next is the sales report form. This form is similar to the inventory form, but it describes the record of all calls made and products sold by a salesperson or management during a specific time period. It includes a comprehensive document that analyzes all sales using any parameters. In our case, we use a list view and table to calculate our sales on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis.
I'm Carlos Luis Estabulan, and I will discuss list of buyers and audit trade. So list of buyers, it will show you the list of customers who logged in to the program. It will show the customer ID, the customer name, and the date frame. Audit trail. Audit trail will show you the logs of the customer or the seller that logged in or registered. It will show the time and the date they logged in or registered, their action, whether they logged in, logged out, or registered. Customer ID will be shown if the customer logged in, and seller ID will be shown if the seller logged in. Logged out. Logged out. When you press logged out, they will be prompt if you want to log out. And if you press yes, it will show. It will go back to the login form.
If this is your first time logging into our system, you will need to create an account by selecting the Sign Up button on the login page. Meaning the first time you use our system, you'll have to fill out some personal details. In order to use our system, you must first register.
Hello, I am Steven Chu from BSIT 202I, and I am going to explain the payment method part of the system. So after you order some of the products available in the system, you can now you cannot choose your payment method, which is it can be GCash, Paymaya, and bank transfer. You can pick if GCash, you should click it and then check out. Then it will show all the details of your payment, and then if you click pay, it will have a successfully sent form which has the amount that you you tendered in the system. After you click done, you will go back to the transaction page where you can now either log out or make a new transaction. And if you choose Paymaya, same as the Gcash, it will have the all the details, which is the recipient, which is the Aptronics, and the amount due, your order amount, and then how much amount you will transfer to the Aptronics to pay your bills. After that, if you click pay, it will send money to the Aptronics. Then after the transaction, you can click done, which will go back to the transaction again, and you can either log out or make a new transaction. Next is the bank transfer. Here in the bank transfer, you should add the date, the reference ID, the account name, address, bank name necessary for the records of the bank transfer. After after putting the data from the bank transfer, you should click submit, and then it will go back to the transaction page, where you have the freedom to make a transaction again or log out. That's all.